trying records and trying verses and trying different patterns. He was like, yo, I want you to be a character every time. That's why you'll hear 1-800-CALL MY BLUFF, and I'm just talking matter of factly because I'm Arthur Fleck in that moment. You know what I'm saying? I'm like trying to really, harness the energy of the Joker, but the lighthearted. Yeah, I can sit here and talk to you all day, and then boom. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the energy of it. And he was like, "Yo, we have to do character type things like that for you to take you to another level. You have to go through a process with him." And one thing I said I wasn't going to do was stop his process because sometimes, and it gets tense. Like we argue. Like we argue. We don't, we get angry. I'm like, man, I don't like that shit. That shit whack. I'm tired of it. Like I'm over it. He'd be like, nah, man, listen. All right, let's keep going. And then I'll leave out the studio and then he keeps hammering away. And then he finds that chord. And then what was whack to me now starts looking a little brighter. And then he takes what I thought was whack and be like, oh, I know what you don't like. You don't like, this sounds sweet. So hold on, let me strip that away. Let me keep the one that you do like, and then we start building. But you got to go through the whole process to get to that.
Absolutely.
And it's long, and it's tedious, and it's like bothersome at times.
But it's worth it though if you're trying to make something timeless.
For sure.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you compared yourself to Martin Scorsese, which I understood. But Martin Scorsese makes fiction. Does that mean what you write isn't real?
No, not at all. And what I'm doing right now, I feel like, is trying to tap into more of the creativity of that. All of it comes from a real place, but not everything is one for one. And I feel like we gotta, as rap artists, we have to sort of get out of that too, because I'm here to actually entertain you. I'm here to entertain you. I'm here to I want you to say that I said the freshest shit ever. You know what I'm saying? Big say, I'm trying to push 700s. They ain't made them yet. He's imagining, you know what I'm saying? Still ain't made them yet. But, he was imagining then and saying the flyest shit. What, I mean, because it's not here, that means what? That wasn't a dope line? Nah. I want to, continuously tap into the creativity of my mind, the imagination. Scorsese does make fiction, but some of it comes from a real place and some of it is just gratuitous greatness. I want to be that.